Hi, my name's Andy Klemenko, and this is a quick little demo of Rancher and a containerized version of NiFi that I came up with. So let me show you Rancher real quick. What we've got here is the login, which I set to something simple. Once we're in, you can see we've got 3 nodes. Now I've labeled one of them as the master equals true, and this will make sense in a minute. We have 0 containers running across our cluster. We can start to build out stacks, but what I've done is I'm going to show you a Docker Compose stack. So we've got a bunch of ports for the NiFi master, we got a password, we've got some Rancher affinity scheduling, and then we've got the nodes. Let's go ahead and bring up our cluster, our application stack, I mean. And as you can see, clear out this default one. As you can see, it's now deploying our containers across the cluster due to some specific rules. And the rules are that the NiFi master needs to be on the master node. The reason why is because we're passing the hostname variable to the actual NiFi nodes, so that they know what to talk to, which host to talk to. Due to unicast and multicast support within Docker not being there, we're leveraging the host networking instead of the Docker level networking. So what these hosts are doing right now is they're pulling in from the hub.docker.com registry the correct NiFi container that I've written, and then configuring themselves. It should take another minute maybe. And while that's happening, master's already come up. So to kind of show you some of the other cool features of Rancher is we can go in the application stack. Cluster's coming up now. I can go and actually actively view the logs that are coming out of the containers. If I wanted to, I can even execute the shell. So here I am live inside the container. Right, same logs. The cool part about this is I'm actually logging into one server and I'm going through Rancher's IPsec overlay network and executing a shell on another physical node. So let's go ahead. Our application should be up right now. Here's the IP of the master node where the master's running. And boom, we're in cluster mode and we've got 2 active nodes. The cool part about this also with Rancher is that I can actually go and inspect the host performance metrics. So this is really good for operations. I can even go into looking at the container themselves. So again, I can view information about it. But if I want, I can go into the actual individual container itself and look at the container level statistics. This would be great for troubleshooting. Here's some of the labels and variables that have been generated for that, ports that are open, volumes that are active. Uh, this this should give you kind of a brief overview. One of the things I do want to add to this kind of setup is sysdig for external monitoring of all the statistics in one location, as well as possibly log entries. So now all of those containers will log out to a third-party cloud. That way you can start looking at your entire cluster very easily, very quickly. Um, cool. Hope you like it.